Paidbah kynthei bat shynrang nik shnong bapher ki hapoh ka Gasuapara C&RD Block South Garo Hills kilemi Paidbah ban dawa ni ki bor bapyniaid Iakhih Block Ophis Bym Siew mardor bylla sngi bekila trei bat syep ha ki bnai bala Baroh ni kini ki nongkyndong ki shaniah tylli ha Bainong beki yo na kabala sngi ban pynbiang bam kasa baman sngi halaying la syep ki Paidbah kila kerpat iki bor bahajrong jong sorkar bantari ki kiti jingerap she ki Paidbah jong kani ka block Bym Siew iki bylla lem kumta ki khun ki kiti kingat ha ka jingyap tngat nakaliang ki officer jong kani ka Block Ophis kila aibun ki daw ki bapelong ki ban penslem bat pensange ya ka jingsiw ki Bainong belasngi she ki Paidbah kani ka than kadaw bokong san ba ki officer ka block ki ai kalong baki Aadhaar Number kimyeso bat ki bank account jong ki brew ki babella shispa-sngi.
Today we have organized a meeting. Here we can see here all the beneficiaries of MGNREGA. The agenda of our meeting here today is we have been working for so many days, but from different under our Gasuapara block, some VCs they have not received their wages. So based on that, we have made our videos. They told us that some of them they have not submitted death certificate, and they told the problem is that some they have not linked their Aadhaar card to the job card. So when we inquired, they also told when we inquired the VC secretaries and all, they told that it has been death certificate, the Aadhaar card, all has been linked, but why the wages is still being pending? So based on that, we have talked with the BSCs here. So we urge the government and the authorities to look into this matter quickly, and as it is act, the payment should be done within 15 days. But when we inquire them, when we interview them, when we ask the beneficiaries, they told us that they have not received their money for like let's say their wages for 20 days. Some VCs they told us that some they have not received for the 70 days. So we can understand that it is the failure of the authority. It is the failure of the authority. So we urge the government of Meghalaya to please look onto this matter as early as possible, as most of our father mothers here, they are mostly dependent on the wages they receive from the job card MGNREGA. Some they depend for their students. They are looking after their children for students from this wages itself only. So by looking at this, it is very crucial, and it's very important that all these wages should be released within a short period of time. Thank you.
Today we had a public meeting to discuss various important which are impacting our village. The meeting was held regarding MGNREGA job card payment pending. During the meeting, various beneficiaries from different VEC members addressed their problems and issues, and we heard and note that they haven't received their 70 days payment wage, and the reason is that they haven't received the payment due to not submitting the Aadhaar link with the bank account.
Monthly fees kam na nga matam de admission ka na nga tungkui na warang na pa na nga cha na ring na pa na nga
Ambi na may ko ba kan ginma ya tangka paisa man gijani bidungo nik kanirang ko nang nik kanirang ko
yan ang nik kanirang yang pabrisio job card sa susni kam khai man gumen na ko tangka paisa man jani bidungo singa ye pilo na thomba aro singa ya tangka paisa ko man gijon bang ani nik kanirang ko singa man ya mai nik men man jenga singa ko ma sija 얘나봐 지금 블록티 양이 tyl리 sngi 이쪽 많이 그러면 만쟁이 지금 얘랑 거든 맛이 식사님나 시급바 그룹니 팔로 가게 때문에 지금 얘 장갑이랑 그 많고 자잉아 아니 아가는 지금 얘 장갑에서 그 만개나 만쟁이 지금 증이 동기잖아 강하나 가이면 장갑이랑 그 만져도 지금 마이크 사긴 마이크는 게 저대양 당당하게 전치 동도 가롱죠 저 만나나가 매 이렇게 만져 만나나가 지금 님나 dawa 많고 자잉아 지금
Simangara maini bidungo ya tangka pasaran ko manjing acum.
시급바랑니 그러면 만쟁이니 뭐 아가니가 프레시던트 세크레터리란데.
Acha wa siga barangni bidungora na simang daun ikti wa siang kepan oktangni manderangara death certificate tak barang ko thari mung office rangna submit karang donga hachuma block rango.
왜 와랑 코바 파아쳐.
Warang ko submit kajok chumungmo. Hindi ba nasim tangka barang ko man kujay ngamo? Acha Andak yung ingon na simang daw ni kita kemeng na tangka paisarang ko dita belsina jana manjinga ya deke tangka paisarang ko man gija dong ingon na simang mai nik kanirang ko matninga
nikani de namin mana mana yano dong pagamakan hangal chulgri nakaparangsa aro yano mamang source income rang ba dungja yanang ko kain muna janggi tangkapan ma ya nikani de banga noktang rangan matninga
Acha na asungara bade blok ni mandirang chum
지금 luar Gasuapara
Gasuapara blok ni mo
Gasuapara bolongnya
Acha na simangara baita salang ni ko tangka manku gijarang donga nasong ni wage ni gora
sal sot begini
sal sot prigni ni mo Acha wara baita belsio khaga bachum
wah hazal gini pergi kita
Azal gani khogru gethamo ni ko nasong dauna gengkheng tangka manku jamo baita sal ni ko
sot begini
sot prigni Ani gemeng de nasong nara sal susni ni ko dauna nun kujainga Maini bidungo wa tangka paisarang ko nasong ora man kujachum ba manjinga
Mandi siana ya grupo mandi sigupang dongana inan man kujani agana tunga.
Una man kujani akan tinga mo. Acha nigi ongengon daw nigi de kemeng na nasong wa mandi sigabarang ni jen mandirang sijok chumo warang na nasong det ngon daw nigi de kemeng na nasong wa mandi sigabarang ni jen mandirang sijok chumo warang na nasong det certificate rangko office rang submit kajok ma
Kajok ba?
kajok Ndi bawa tangka paisarang ko nasuna daw nan chukata tung kujainga ma
Aha man kuja.
nigi meng de nasong ara yanona thomba nera mai muksongani thomba ha
ngade chungni thombani de yang ba belsioni chungni job card kam khai chani ko tangka majani gumen thomba
Acha baita salang ni ko nasong tangka man kubija donginga chum
sal sotsuni ni ko matkuja
Acha yara maini bidungo tangka kora man kujainga chum nasong ara mai dakani gumen bisong tangka kon kujaina sonara
시급바 그룹고 가까니 그러면 중아 당카 맞구자잉아
Acha siwa sigaparang ni kora nasongara jekaiwa death certificate dakabarang ko office rango submit ka achma
삿밋 가족 데 사티비게 tamkade
warang ko submit kajok chumungmo
네 가족
ndi ba nasona tangkarang ko sukat kujama
것 구자
Ya de je dak kiba tangka ko mana kuna nanga. Je dak kiba manna nanga ya de hajirani tangka ha. Dumu kan dilla mandi ha. Tangka ko de nanga mo. Ina government na molmon na sikka chini tangka ko je dak kiba. Tara ki manno de nam de.
state government ko baya job card ko nirok sumsak ingpa dengtang office rang na maiba khatarang ko ba wa mangna mulani khatarang ko akanatna scan chumungma
왜? 나 이제고 나게 아간다 스캔치 제 당하랑 콘칭아 만나나가청 뭐랑코 다락게 칭나 게멘 가치나 뭐라스까 마이나 사간 디아노 동행과 만데랑한 강할 소그릭과 만데랑성 아니면 이야 당하랑 그만 방어데 멍사스 감랑 졸리겐 아로 땀랑데 자그리 나그리 닦아봐 만데랑 바동아 뭐랑바 ya rangko matgen cuma ode choli na matgen ni mana mulaska